told you I was going to teach you how to make something that you probably didn't know that you could make in your Instant Pot. And here it is, popcorn. So this is how we make popcorn. Now to cook popcorn in your 3-quart Instant Pot, we're going to use the saute mode. And we're going to make sure that it says more. So to adjust it, you're going to have less, and then more will be your third button. Now we're going to allow that to come up to temperature, and then we're going to add our oil and popcorn. So to start off with your 3-quart Instant Pot, we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of oil. And 1/4 cup of popcorn. And you want to move them around and make sure that they're kind of distributed evenly on the surface. And then you're going to top it with your clear lid. I'll put a link in the description for this cover from Instant Pot. When 2/3 of your popcorn kernels have popped, you are going to choose to cancel it and allow it to cool down and finish popping. Now that your popcorn's done, you're going to use these little silicone grippers to grab your pot out and dump it into a bowl. Now you have a bowl of fluffy popcorn that just took a matter of minutes, and you didn't need any extra kitchen utensils or machines to complete. So enjoy. And there you have it. Something that most people do not know that they can make in their Instant Pot. Hope you enjoy it. Remember, subscribe and hit that bell button to be notified anytime that we post a post.